Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vinay Anwarat from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. The today's presentation is on waste management. Let's see the topic. The topic is disposal option and selection criteria based on type of waste. Let's see what is sustainable waste disposal, how to choose the best option. With increasing amount of waste produced every day, it's more important than ever to choose a right waste disposal option. In this presentation, we will explore the different option and selection criteria based on type of waste. In this, there are mainly four overview of waste disposal option. The first one is landfill, the second one is incineration, and the third one is recycling. The last one, fourth one is composting. Let's see this in shortly and afterwards we'll discuss in briefly. First one is landfill. The most common disposal method where waste is deposited at sites designated of waste storage. And the second one is incineration, a process that converts waste into ash and gas by heating it at high temperatures. And the third one is recycling, a sustainable option that turns waste into a new materials deriving from landfills. And the fourth one is composting, a natural process that breaks down organic waste into nutrient rich soil that can be used for gardening. Let's discuss this all four in briefly. The first one is landfill disposal criteria. In landfill disposal criteria, there are four types. The first one is location, second one is liners, and the third one is monitoring system. The fourth one is closure and post closure care. The first one is location. Sites must have a low water table, be away from food plants and wetland, and have available infrastructure. And this second one is liners. Sites must have a liners to prevent continuation of soil and water. And the third one is monitoring system. Sites must have a system in place to monitor groundwater and surface water quality, air quality, and overall landfill health. And the fourth one is closure and post closure care. Sites must have a plan for closure and post closure care to ensure sustainability and safety. And the second one is incineration disposal criteria. In incineration disposal criteria, there are also three types. The first one is efficient energy recovery, second one is controlled emission, and the third one is compliance with regulations. Let's see the first one, efficient energy with recovery. In this, incineration must efficiently recover energy from waste in the form of electricity or a heat. And the second one is controlled emissions. Incineration plants must meet secret emissions standards to ensure that air pollution is minimized. And the third one is compliance with regulations. Incineration plants must comply with federal, state, and local environmental regulations to protect public health and the environment. The third one is recycle disposal criteria. In this, there are three separation. The first separation is material separation, second one is cleanliness of materials, and the third one is market demand. The first one is material separation. Recycling faculties must be able to separate materials of different type of qualities, and the second one is cleanliness of materials. To prevent contamination of recyclable materials must be kept clean and non-recyclable waste. The third one is market demand. Recycling programs must evaluate market demand for recycled materials to ensure that recycled materials are actually used. And the last one is composting disposal criteria. In this also there are three types. The first type is feedstock mix, second one is aeration and moisture, the third one is quality control. The first one is feedstock mix. Composting faculties must use the right mix of material including green matter, brown matter and water. The second one is aeration and moisture. Composting faculties must regulate temperature, moisture and oxygen levels to ensure that materials are broken down properly. The third one is quality control. In quality control, the end product testing must comply with national standards for concentrations such as heavy metals and harmful pathogens. Next thing is, let's discuss on selection criteria based on type of waste. Let's see the type of waste and ideal disposal method. The first one is biodegradable waste. In disposal method, composting or landfills. The second one is recyclable waste, recycling. And the third one is toxic waste, incineration or specialized landfills. Let's see conclusion and key takeaways. The first one is sustainability. Choosing sustainable waste disposal option is important of our environmental, our future. And the second one is public health. Proper waste disposal leads to better public health outcome and reduce the spread of diseases. And the third one is selection criteria. Consider the type of waste when selecting a disposal method and examine the criteria carefully before making a decision. Thank you.